So a classic problem for any consumer business is to come up with some kind of a customer journey. You do this, and then you check out, and then you're good. Now, a digital product exploded that in the sense that it's not a strict one-dimensional sort of static linear process. You can go in and you can shop for something, you can look at items, you can come back off, you can go back in. You can do it any kind of a way. So what's behind the scenes for that digital product is what's called a click stream. It's all the possible events that that application can track when a user does it. It's usually for a given mobile app will be hundreds of possible events. And the way that any given user has to click around in that app is exponential. Now, for an agent to know, as humans, we kind of know, like if you're dating someone, if you're getting to know them, you know that you're not going to propose to them on the first date. Instead, what you're trying to find is, are you a match somehow? So you're not asking them maybe even questions about, do you want to have children? Too much, right? Like that's a sure sign of a bad date. Quick, get out of there, close, get the check, right? But you know that there's early signals. And that's what an agent has to be able to do. They have to have a way of moving away from an objective function of a transaction and saying, well, what about the first exploration in the app would lead us to think that you're strongly considering something, and if we gave you a little bit, if that agent gave you a little bit more information, it would lead to a little bit more exploration. It's the shopping that happens prior to the buying.